So I'm going to highlight about the hazards of noise pollution these days. Um, Apart from the noise pollution caused by the vehicles and the industries and all those things, the self-inflicted noise pollution is one of the most emerging hazards these days. And you can see, all these youngsters wearing these earphones all the time, throughout the day, and quite unfortunately, they are using higher volumes. See, normal volumes permitted is say below 85 decibels. Any noise above 85 decibels over a period of time is going to affect your hearing. So, the problem with this whatever the problem with this using earphones in the public places is already the environment noise is so high. When the surrounding noise is so high, you are going to increase the earphone volumes to a higher level to match that. That is called as noise inflation. So, for example, say you are in a traffic area where the sound is already 80-90 decibel. So, unless you use 100 decibel volumes for your earphones, you're not going to hear the music. So, I would strongly recommend you not to use earphones in the public places where there is existing noise pollution. Unfortunately in India, most of the places in the roads, we have a high noise pollution. So in case still if you want to use earphones, please go for the ones which has got noise cancellation, which will cut off the external sounds. And even if you don't use earphones, even people who travel by bike or any other means in the traffic, they have the risk of developing this noise-induced hearing loss. The reason being, you are being honked by vehicles surrounded by you. So there is a nice device which is called as high-frequency noise filter. It will filter away the unwanted noises, but the needy frequency will be transmitted to the ears. So that is one option. The other option is to use noise cancellation earphones. The best thing would be to avoid earphones in the public places. Use earphones in a quiet ambience where you can appreciate them. See, most of them use it for music only. The beauty of the beauty of the music is to listen it in a quiet environment. Then only you can understand all the nuances of this music. So I would strongly recommend you not to use earphones in the public places. If at all you want to use it, use noise cancellation. So, and the other side is avoid honking. Let us make our country a better place. Let us bring down the noise pollution, which is easily doable. Whereas smoke pollution, certain things, there is a long way to go. If everyone is going to take a pledge saying that from today I'm not going to honk, then we are going to make our city a heaven to live. Thank you.